Yes, we're going to be facing our match stick today. Let me just retry this. I'm using Charge and Lobber. On this boss fight, try and get your super because you're gonna need it. On this boss, I would not recommend using Snow Dash since it's platforming. Would be greatly appreciated if any of you got subscribed. The tail is the thing that gets me. As you see, I backed up on that one because I wouldn't be able to even get the area. This one's the one that I would recommend using Lobber on. I really hate this boss. Luckily, there is a platform underneath that. I really hate this. I got really lucky on that barely any of them jumped. I said before, I would recommend getting those pink circles because you're gonna want your super. Obviously, if you're playing with Miss Chalice, I would recommend using her third super and your second, not her first, because it doesn't go like Mugman and Cuppets. Got hit by the tail. I hate moving platform maps. Hopefully I can get on the... Oh, he has to jump as soon as I get there. Well, he swapped into energy beam. As you see, I'm not trying to complete like any challenge. I'm trying to beat Grimash. If you guys subscribe, it will be great. Pick up all my I made the YouTube short, so if you guys then go and see this after this video. But I won't just be doing Cuphead, I'll be doing a bunch of different stuff. Got rid of that. Some of you might use your ability right in the beginning, but the video will end when I defeat one boss. So I go to Lollywarbles, beat him. Grimash will be my next one. I'm not defeated the clown yet because for me he's just really fun and stuff. But I can't beat this boss because it gets filled up too much. I don't have the delicious last course sadly. I have a strategy when when he shoots the eggs, go to the opposite side of where it's at. Or like then if you can. Try and get parries off. The second phase is not that hard. Same as his last phase, it's just his third phase. I do lose health on it if I don't go small. So we'll be going small in this phase. Anyways, he gets tired, so. Should be going on to his next phase soon, especially after that super. Okay, there's on his next phase. I hate the kid. I hate when he does mandatory parries. On his last phase, equip bombs. They will help you a lot if you equip them. I kept inside the circle for too long, so I lost. Okay, good. This is probably the easiest out of all of it. It barely even fills up the screen. Oh my god, I'm so lucky it just got knocked out before I died. That was so lucky. For some reason I have trouble on that boss, and I don't know why. Well, I hope you guys like and subscribe, and bye. I will be doing more videos like this, so just get ready for my next post.